redstone there.
I'd never need my pop bar. Go rid of it.
Alright, I don't know.
Just leave it. Just leave it, dude. Wait, hold on.
There we go.
Oh my god, I forgot about glass. Oh my god, that's so irritating. That's so annoying. Holy hell. And then I'll put a strobe light on it, hold on.
Oh my fucking god.
No, mine's fine. Quinn, just look at it. Just look at how gorgeous it is.
It's actually the embodiment of AIDS. Get out of the way!
So, that's beautiful. Actually, so bad. Oh my god. I need more redstone lamps. It's the only